Morning students, as we have already discussed that for solving a quadratic equation we have to use three methods. We can use three methods. The first one is splitting the middle term, and the second one is completing the square method. Third one is quadratic formula. So today we are going to discuss about the next method, that is completing the square method. Here I have written one example. For solving this example by completing the square method, you have to follow these steps. I will explain these steps by taking this example. First step, what I have written, shift the coefficient of x to the other side. Here with the coefficient of x square, sorry, it should be x square. So the coefficient of x square should be 1. यहाँ पर आपके पास क्या होना चाहिए था 1, but they have given 3. So what I will do, I will just divide both the sides by 3. So 3x square minus 5x plus 2 divided by 3, and this is also divided by 3. This 3 will be divided, when we will divide by 3, then it will be divided by all these 3 numbers. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 5 by 3 is 5 by 3. And the next is 2 by 3 is 2 by 3. And 0 by 3, we all know that it will be 0. In your question, if they will give the question like this, x square, so it means no need to do this question, no need to do this step, because they have already given the coefficient 1. So our first step is make the coefficient of x square 1. And how will you make the coefficient of x square 1? By shifting the coefficient of x square to the other side. और हमने कैसे शिफ्ट किया है? By dividing both sides to the coefficient of x square. This is our step number 1. Now the second step is shift the constant part this side, because beta if this constant part will help us to make the whole square, तो ये ऐसा coefficient, ऐसा constant part they will never provide us. So हम क्या करेंगे? We will shift this constant part this side. इसका मतलब हमें constant तो चाहिए है, but this is not the accurate one. So what we are going to do? X square minus 5 upon 3x is equals to minus 2 upon 3, because we all know that 0 minus any number is the same number with the minus sign. 0 minus 2 by 3 is minus 2 by 3. So this is step number 2. Now the step number 3 is multiply the coefficient of x by. We have to calculate one constant, one suitable constant to make this is a whole square. See student, for the whole square we need 3 terms, and here we are having first term and second term. Which part is missing here? Constant part is missing. How will you search the constant part? Just take the coefficient of this x. So what is the coefficient of x? Is 5 by 3. अब आपको क्या करना है? You have to take the half of the 5 by 3. Half of the 10 is 5. Half of the 20 is 10. Half of 4 is 2. Half of 5 is 5 by 2. And half of 5 by 3 is 5 by 6. Because what is the meaning of half? Half means multiply that number by 1 upon 2. So calculating the half of 5 by 3, we will multiply it by 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 को ही half बोलते हैं. So 5 into 1 is 5. 3 into 2 is 6. So what is the half of 5 by 3? It is 5 by 6. So what are we are going to write here? We are going to add this number 5 by 6 both sides. Note 5 by 6 both sides. We have to add the whole square of 5 by 6. What we have written here? Add the square of value obtained in the step number 3. So आपको क्या करना है? इसका हाफ करेंगे and add the whole square both sides. जैसे ही आपने हाफ किया, because we are manipulating the answer, so how will we write it as a whole square? हमने knowingly whole square बनाया है इस side. So we can write it x, then first term is x, second term is 5/3, and this middle term will tell us the sign, plus sign or minus sign, minus. So it will be minus, and it will be the whole square is equals to. First let me tell you this part again. If you are thinking that ma'am where is this middle term, आपने दो ही टर्म लिए, थर्ड टर्म कहाँ गई? So we know that a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is our 2ab. When you want to make the whole square, this will not come, only the sign will come. Fine. And equal to this side you have to solve. How will you solve this side? Minus 2/3 plus 5/6 means 25/36, because whole square is there. So how will we write now? X minus 5/6 whole square is equals to, take the LCM, LCM is 36. Then 3 12s are, so 12 minus 24 plus 25. These are only the calculative part now. So x minus 5/6 whole square is equals to minus 24 plus 25 is 1. 1/36. 1/36. Now I just want to shift this to that side. So it will be under root 1/36. And what is the under root of 1/36? It will be plus minus 6. Not only 1/6, it will be plus minus 6. So x minus 5/2 will be divided into two parts. या तो इसकी वैल्यू होगी plus 1/6 और it can be minus 1/6. It can be minus 1/6. Solve these two parts. X is equal to 1/6 plus 5/6, that is 6/6, and the answer is 1. So what is the value of x? It is 1. Now what about the second value? X is equal to minus 1/6 plus 5/6. X is equal to 6 minus 1 plus 5. X is equal to 4/6. X is equal to 2/3. Therefore the values of x will be 1 and 2/3. If you want to check your answer, you can solve the same question by the factorization method by splitting the middle term, and the answer will be 1 and 2/3 only. It will not vary, answer will be remain same by all the three method. So let me explain the same question again. First step, just remove this coefficient. Coefficient of x square should be 1. First step done. Second step, shift the constant part this side. Second step. Third step is, now in the third step you have to make the half of this number, 5/3. This number is very important. Just make the half of 5/3. So half of 5/3 is 5/6. तो आपको 5/6 ऐड नहीं करना है. You have to add the whole square of 5/6. So here I have added the whole square of 5/6. But you have to add the whole square of 5/6 both sides, just to balance the equation. So I have added 5/6 whole square this side also, this side also. इस साइड जैसे ही आपने इसका होल स्क्वायर ऐड किया, यू कैन राइट इट एज अ होल स्क्वायर. जैसे ही आप इसका स्क्वायर ऐड करेंगे, यू कैन राइट एज अ होल स्क्वायर. x will tell us the first term, this whole square will tell us the second term, and the middle term will tell us the sign. It is minus. So it is minus 5, 2/3 plus 20. This is the calculation part only. Here you have to calculate the answer. After solving this square, शिफ्ट दिस स्क्वायर दिस साइड. आप इस स्क्वायर को जब तक शिफ्ट नहीं करेंगे, जब तक आप इसको ऐड, एलसीएम ये सब करके रिड्यूस इन वन नंबर. व्हेन यू विल रिड्यूस इन द वन नंबर, उसके बाद यू हैव टू शिफ्ट दिस स्क्वायर दैट साइड. उससे पहले आप स्क्वायर को शिफ्ट नहीं करेंगे. सो आफ्टर दैट 1/36, ये स्क्वायर व्हेन यू विल शिफ्ट दैट साइड, इट विल बी अंडर रूट, और अंडर रूट 1/36 इज प्लस माइनस 1/6. So the values of this number will be plus 1/6 and will be minus 1/6. And after taking the LCM, you can solve it for x, and x will be 1 and 2/3. Fine students, so this is all about completing the square method. Clear students? Thank you class.